I think a bit of over enthusiasm in that moment to give away a foul, but he'll learn from that.
Meanwhile, a flood of goals helped Chelsea to victory over Armenian side Noah in the Conference League. The 8-goal win means Chelsea top the table, having scored 13 in their 3 matches. The Israeli government has sent rescue planes to Amsterdam, where fans of Maccabi Tel Aviv have faced violence. The team lost 5-0 to Ajax in the Europa League last night. Dutch Prime Minister Dick Schoof has condemned the anti-Semitic attacks by pro-Palestinian protesters before and after the match. And Ian Botham's been saved from a crocodile-infested river by his former rival Merv Hughes. He'd fallen into the Moyle River whilst the pair were on a fishing trip in northern Australia. He apparently fell in when his flip-flops got caught in a rope. There's more news at talksport.com.
Talksport News.
Prince William has opened up about the cancer diagnoses of his wife and father this year, and 3 people have been charged over the death of Liam Payne. Amelia has 4.5 past.
Talksport weather with Quick Fit. Sort your new tyres this winter at a time that suits you best. From the comfort of your home or work 7 days a week with our mobile tyre fitting service. Conditions apply.
Mostly dry but cloudy. The best of the brightness is in the north and the west.
At B&Q and TradePoint, our biggest ever Black Friday deals are here, including 20% off kitchen cabinets and selected worktops, plus 20% off baths, bathroom wall panels and shower trays. Shop in-store or online. You can do it when you B&Q it. Exclusions apply. End 2nd of December, subject to availability. See DIY.com.
Talksport Superstar Breakfast. Here we go. The world's best connected morning spectacular.
Hard-working, quick-witted morning dialogue. Master blended with breaking news from boardroom to boardroom.
The Superstar Breakfast.